In America, they may say Verruca, or maybe Verruca sock. In England, this is Sean, put your Verruca sock on. Or perhaps, oi, Sean, you got a big bloody Verruca on your foot. Put your sock on. And if you're in Birmingham, you may say, Tommy, put your bloody... Tommy, put your Verruca sock on right now, mate. Tommy, put your Verruca sock on right now, mate. Whereas in Wales, we'd simply say, I had a bloody Verruca sock, didn't I? Because I had a big bloody Verruca on my foot. I caught it in a swimming pool now. You know our little pool they have with all the disinfectant in? I reckon I caught it in there. Bloody Verruca, massive it is on my foot. So now I got to wear a Verruca sock, didn't I? Fuming, but in fact I got two. I got Verruca on each foot. So V is for Verruca. Or if you're wearing a sock for your Verruca, you might hear someone say, Verruca sock. 2 Verruca socks. Have a good day. Follow for more. Don't forget to wear your Verruca socks if you have got a Verruca, and avoid that little pool with disinfectant in on the way into your swimming baths. And don't forget to like, follow, share to help me beat the algorithm. Thanks very much, and have a good day.